going to try to organize some of this. It's a mess, a hot mess. One down, 8 down, and a lot more to go. I'm getting there, but it don't look like my pile's getting any smaller. I'm making headway. I promise I am. I still got this much more to go. Look, I've lost a foot. Okay, got that filled, and all I got's left is these. All right, these were the oddballs that's left, and I didn't want to put them in here with this and this, because if I reached in there and that had sprung out, I would have been mad. I'm just gonna put them in my chair right here and sit on them and get that air out. Isn't that one way to do it? Now I'm gonna put them on top of here. Now I can store them. Now I can get what I want when I need it. All of this right here was in the bottom of that tub, and they're just like little bitty pieces, not enough to, you know, wrap around, because all those in there were longer pieces. I'm gonna take all of these right here, and this was in the bottom of there too. It's just one long little piece of material. What for? I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to take all of this right here, and I'm going to cut them up into little tiny pieces, and I'm going to sew them onto here. Number one, it'll get rid of them. Number two, I might use it for something. Okay, so here's my pile, and they're all just, I cut them all up in just tiny scraps because there was already scraps. I'm not going to use those brown ones over there. I'm just going to keep it like that. Sewed them on here, sewed them on here, and see what I come up with. I had to add about 4 more strings on it. I had no idea it was that much. Look here. That long. Now I'm gonna have to find something to put it on. I found well, I didn't find it, I had it. It was in my closet. I've got 2 of them. One black, one. When I was working, I worked at a hospital. Now, I'm not a nurse, but, you know, you get colds, you just put these on. And I like it because I think it's right. It's a pretty little jacket. Well, when I left, I took it with me. I mean, I lend it out to a lot of people because they get cold and want something put on. Anyway, I take it with me in the car, and then when I go out to eat or something, you know, it's cold in restaurants, I'll just throw this on. But I don't really like to wear it because it looks like a nurse's uniform, and I'm no nurse. So if somebody's choking in there, they're going to be looking at me like, why ain't you helping them? Well, you're going to die because I'm not a nurse. But anyway, I want to dress this up a little bit, and then I can just keep it in my car, and then it won't look so nursey. I mean, nothing wrong with nurses. My daughter's a nurse. I mean, love nurses, but I'm not a nurse, so I ain't gonna be able to save you. I'm gonna put that around here, and I think what I'll do is just cut this piece off so it won't go around my neck, and then I think I'll put some around the arms, cut these off, and then I think I'll put some around the bottom, and then I'm gonna go through my stash again and then find some to go on this one because I want to use them scraps up. I'm trying to use this microphone right here because somebody mentioned to me that I probably needed one, and I don't know about this thing. I don't know if it's helping or not, or if I probably need to go get a better one. This one come from Temu, so, you know, par for the course. So let me know. Is this working? Okay, it's coming along. Got that bottom one on. Now I'm going to work on those sleeves. I think I'm just going to whack these sleeves off right about here. Okay, got them off. I'm going to take some of this, put them around the sleeves. I'm going to hem this first. so it don't fray out. Okay, so I've got my sleeve hemmed, and I'm just going to start under the arm, the under armpit seam, and I'm just going to go all the way around and pin it on and sew it on both sleeves, and it'll look something like this. And this is just scraps. I mean, who knew? I've just got this on my arm right here and just lining it up on the back and just sewing around. Make sure it's hitting that cuff. Good news about this is you just clip it off wherever you're at, because that's the end of my cuff, and you just keep going over it. I mean, you're done. So no matching up here. Ain't that cute? Here's where we're at. Here's what we're looking at. You know, I'm going to have to do some trimming on it to make all of those flyaways go away. I don't know whether to put something on the collar or just on the pockets or leave it be like that, but you know me, I got some left. Got to use it. I think I'm going to put it around the collar. If I don't like it, I'll take it off. Okay, so I don't like this up here. Besides, if I put it on there, it'll be choking me. What I'm just going to do, fold it under. If I don't stick myself in the mouth. And I'm going to just make it stop right here and go around. I'm going to tack this on the underside right here. And like I said, if I don't like it, I can take it back off. So let's try that. You know, somebody won't be calling for a nurse. I've disguised it. It's not a lab coat anymore. That was probably noisy, wasn't it? Okay. What say you? Well, that's what you can do with some scraps. My next one will be this black one, but I don't think I want to do it the same way. I think I'll do something different to it. What it is, I don't know yet. Okay, so in my scrap bin, I have pulled out all of this stuff that has black in it, so it would coordinate with this one right here. So I think I will do it the same way. I need to get me a piece of black, long piece of a strip, and so I can cut these up and do the same thing to this one, except maybe I just might do the sleeves and the tail. You know, I did a t-shirt with these right here. I cut out way more than I needed, so this will be a good opportunity to use these little scraps up. So score for me again. Well, I had to dash out and go to the dentist office. You know, in my other video, I told you my bridge had come out. And so I had to go back to the dentist. They was making me one of those mouth guards, night guards for at night. So, because I grind my teeth. Anyway, had to go do that. So, try to protect my choppers. But let me show you how this other's going. Isn't that pretty? Well, I'm going to get my... Look. Isn't that pretty? I mean, it is long, long, long. I didn't realize there was so much of that, you know, once I cut it up. And I just cut me up a little strip on the back and just sewing it to it. So I got tons and tons of this too. So I'm going to finish what I got left, and then we're going to put it on that black jacket. You know, with this one right here, I thought I would do it a little bit different. I thought maybe I would start right here, you know, and taper it off, but I don't really want to lose any function of these pockets because, you know, I like pockets. Anyway, like I said, I was going to do it like that. I wouldn't lose that much of a pocket. Still have some, but I think I'm just going to stick to the same old for the other one, except I'm not going to go around the neck of the other one. I'm going to put this at the bottom here, because I think it looks really cute. And I'm going to put it around the sleeves and then trim off the front neck. I'm not going to put it around the neck, but I don't like it going around my neck. So I'm going to get this bottom part on first. just going to do the same thing to these cuffs right here. Just going to cut them off. If I can. There we go. Now I'm going to put some of this around there. Okay, so you see the flap up here? I don't want to keep it up around my neck. All I'm going to do is just pin it under. And I'm going to just run me a little stitch that way. That way it's not under my neck. And I don't know about that white one. I may take that off my neck. I'm not a fan of turtlenecks and stuff, so that may be too much. I may take that off. But anyway, I'm going to do this first, and then we'll look at the rest of it. Okay, so now what I need to do is get all the strings off of it, and then I just need to go through here and give it a little haircut on some of these places, and just trim it up a little, get all my strings off. Okay, so I think that come out right nice, and I do like the neck, the way I just folded it under and sewed it down, and then I think these come out right cute. But I'll give you a closer look at it in a second. But here, I got all this much left. And what I'm going to do with all that, you know, come in handy for some. It look cute on the bottom of a purse or a purse strap, or I don't know. You could do anything with it. I could wear it for a scarf. And here's the white one. Now, I just still don't know about that neck. I mean, when I put that on, I feel like my head is coming out of an ostrich butt. So, I think I may wind up taking that off. But I'm just going to show it to you now because I'm not going to take it off right now. I'll do it later. And just leave it like this. And then there I've got two upcycled things that I wasn't wearing too much. I mean, they just look plain and that. Plus two, you know, I didn't want to have to save somebody's life. So, I'm going to put that on, put this on, show it to you, and then I'm going to say thank you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you. You just don't know how much. This gives me a little something to do after I'm retired, and I've enjoyed it so far. When I don't enjoy it no more, I just won't do it. But thank you, and I appreciate you watching. Let me try it on for you.